Welcome to our beginner series. In this series, we're going to cover the basics that you need in order to dance Argentine tango, especially to dance socially with other people and to go to what we call milongas, which are tango dance parties, and dance with other people. So we're going to cover some of the basics of the dance as far as the walk, the embrace, and the 5 essential steps of the dance. Basically, in this dance, it's a walking and turning dance, and we dance counterclockwise around the room. And we have 3 connections. We have the connection that we have with our dance partner, of course. That's through the embrace, it's through how we're moving. We also have a connection with the music, so we're listening to the beat and dancing to the music. And we have a connection with the other people on the dance floor. And that we'll get to towards the end, how to navigate and some of the codes of going to a milonga as well. So Argentine Tango is an improvisational dance, which means we're really making it up on the spot. Each individual step anything could happen. So, for example, there's no actual set way to even begin a dance or what foot to start the dance on. I could start with a side step to my left to her right. I could begin where I step forward and the follower steps back. I could step back and the follower steps forward. We could go to either side. There's just no actual, we have to almost learn a language in how we talk to one another and respond to one another. And so that's what we're going to cover here. Now, there are 5, or what we consider to be 5 essential steps of this dance, which of course you can mix and change in a lot of different ways and modify. And even during the step, you could change them. But there are 5 that you really need to know. And if you know these 5, then you can go out to a milonga again and have a nice dance. The first one, other than walking, we have walking of course, is going to the cruzada. There where I have Shelley cross one foot in front of the other. And we have the cruzada in parallel system. And we also have the cruzada in cross system, where I switch right without her and then lead her to go. So that's one of the essential steps. The next essential step is rebounds. So we would rebound. And rebounds create a nice turn. It helps us if we're on the social dance floor and we can't go anywhere. We can't walk, we can't go to the cross, then we can do a rebound to turn. And we've got the rebound we just did, which goes to the open side, or a rebound going in the other direction. Then we have Ochos. These would be what we call back Ochos, because I'm leading Shelley to pivot and take a back step. We call it an Ocho because it's a figure 8, and that's sort of the figure that she's making on the floor with her feet as we do this. And we also have forward Ochos, where you do the same step, but with her taking forward steps. Then we have what we call an Ocho cortado. Do it from this angle. And then we have turns. We have a turn going counterclockwise, and we have a turn going clockwise. Now, there's many other steps, but again, these are the ones that you need in order to really go out and dance socially. So we're going to do, to start with, just a quick song to sort of demonstrate this. So we're going to dance a tango using just these 5 steps.